snoring just like her daddy. She's been fussing a little bit. I think maybe she might be growing. My baby girl. Cutting on how my dad used to say it, cutting them logs. She's pretty when she snores, isn't she? That's right, baby girl. My little princess.